What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Let's get started. In this free online CPD, accredited 1.5 to 3 hours long course is brought to you by Allison. Allison works by offering free self-paced online courses created by experts, funded by ads and optional paid certificates, allowing users to learn skills in modules, pass assessments needing 80% plus, and download a free learner record or pay for official certificates, diplomas to prove their achievement, all accessible via web or app. Artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. AI is reshaping industries, research, and daily life. This free online beginner course begins with the history and foundations of the field, explaining how AI systems are designed and clarifying the distinction between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Learners will explore the practical applications when it comes to healthcare, finance, marketing, and education, while also reflecting on ethical challenges and the impact of AI on decision-making, efficiency, and innovation. So allow me to break down this free beginner-level online course and what it will teach. Module 1 will cover AI Foundations 2 Career Pathways, which will give you the introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows different systems to learn from other data and improve performance without explicit programming. It is widely used across industries to automate tasks, make predictions, and discover patterns. Machine learning can be categorized into 3 main types, each with unique methods and applications: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The course will go on to Introduction to Neural Networks, which are the foundation of deep learning, inspired by the human brain. Deep learning can learn complex patterns from data for tasks like image recognition and NLP, engineering and evaluation. Metrics are essential techniques when it comes to building reliable models, as they enhance performance, improve accuracy, and enable developers to assess along the way as how well an algorithm performs in various scenarios. Careers in artificial intelligence are diverse and growing rapidly, offering opportunities for both technical and non-technical professionals. Other emerging roles include AI product managers, AI ethicists, and AI consultants, all of whom help ensure that artificial intelligence is applied responsibly and effectively across business domains. Artificial intelligence has created a wide range of career opportunities across industries. When it comes to the most in-demand roles as the data scientist, who collects, analyzes, and interprets complex data to provide insights for decision-making. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below down and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there. I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that is floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks, it's Markie Williams, and I will see you in the future.